Felt. Noun. A cloth or stuff made of matted fibers of wool, or wool and fur, fulled or wrought into a compact substance by rolling and pressure, with lees or size, without spinning or weaving. Felt. Noun. A hat made of felt. Felt. Verb. To make into felt, or a felt-like substance, to cause to adhere and mat together. Felt. Verb. To cover with, or as if with, felt. To felt the cylinder of a steam engine. Felt. Verb. Poker, to cause a player to lose all their chips. Felt. Verb. Simple past tense and past participle of feel. Felt. Adjective. That has been experienced or perceived. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.